So what's happening right now is they think that they found an abandoned car. They were about to go check it out, but they got scared.
It's an abandoned car.
Now y'all see why we read it first?
All right, round two. They're trying a different way this time.
Oh, wouldn't it have been more clean if y'all went through this path? This like little mini pathway right there?
You guys can't really see it, but it's like over, like there somewhere. I guess I'll go with them, but I don't.
Had a car crash. They must have had a car crash and got out.
No, these aren't very. Well, that was fun. It was like really low-key creepy, honestly. And at one point we thought that we like weren't gonna like find our way out. Really loud motorcycle. But we are out now. We are headed back home and that was pretty fun.